Good.
Papunta kami ngayon kina Kuya Roy. Kami lang dalawa ni Ruth. Kasi mas...
Hello! Hi!
Hello!
Ay, namit ko na siya ng manay.
That is what we are, no one in between. How can we be wrong?
Yan, good morning. Pang 6th day. Basta pa.
Basta 25 ngayon.
Medyo tanghali na kami. Magbabrunch na kasi hinating gabi kami, kagabi. Pupunta kami dyan sa baba maghanap ng makakainan.
Hindi mo yung binalokal, ano?
Yeah. Gusto kasi namin matry yung mga local foods. Good morning. Good morning.
Dito maati ka. Kanan, magpapahiso. Good. Ay, napaka pala niyo.
Oh, kadakula oh.
Kumarumdaman. Diba na kumarumdaman? Ay, sus. Nahiling ako.
Hindi nga na ang kuya lang. Very fine ang noodles niya. Sarap. Papunta kami ngayon kina Kuya Roy. Kami lang dalawa ni Ruth. Kasi masama na ang pakiramdam ni Ate Jo. Kailangan niya raw ng babawi raw siya ng tulog. Kaya yan, wit-wit namin yung
Gum. Dinanoy.
solo lang ako. Balik ako sa hotel. Si Ruth nagpaiwan na doon kina Kuya Roy. May lakad sila, hindi na ako sasama, magpapahinga ako sa room. Kasi parang sisipunin na ako. Ay, actually may sipon na ako sa pagod. Vibrator. Nag-order si Ate Jo ng fried rice kasi nasarapan kami nung in-order namin yan nung isang gabi. Pupunta kasi kami kina Kuya Roy kasi mag-get together pati yung friend. Ayan, nagsisimula na dito sa likod ng hotel namin na tinutuluyan itong night market. Nagsisimula na silang lagay. Kasi ito, nagpapaluto si na Ate Jo. Ang sarap naman talaga kasi. Diyan naman sa kabila, masarap din dyan. Diyan kami nag-breakfast kaninang umaga. Wow.
Tingin lang. Ikaw, Bi, gusto mo kani?
Ay, iyo.
Tuloy, wala talaga si Ken. Hello, hi.
Hello.
Ay, na-meet ko na siya ng Manay. Ano dara mo? Ay, si Tina pala.
Everybody, you stand up. Pinapans.
For you, it seems the natural thing to do.
Tonight, no one's gonna find us. Palakpakan. Behind us. When I make love to you, deep listening.
Ibabalik ni Suki.
Excuse me, deep listening.
The deep inside you feel it too.
Tonight, our spirits will be climbing to the skies that await diamonds. When I make love to you tonight. Roy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Good health. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And a midnight sun is
Nobody knows where it comes and where it goes. I know everybody. Kaya mo yan, go!
Hinga.
Kaya mo yan. Sige!
Go.
Nakakonsus sa hours. Books and pages, living alone, sages. You know it's true. All the things come back to you. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for life and sing for the tear. Sing with me, it's for today, it's tomorrow. The Lord take it away.
Yeah, diba?
bawat sandali ika'y naalala. Tangi
Yung walang si Cody, kasi iba yung magkanta. Si Cody, dadang ako kahit nag-duet sila ni Flabil.
muli.
May re-instrumento na, no? Maluwag na dyan ang drum. Organ, luwag sana. Matugtog na yan.
Sa ibang instrument tayo.
Please release me, my friendship. Please release me, let me go. For I don't you anymore.
You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on.
Tender love is blind, it requires a dedication.
All this love we feel needs no conversation. We ride it together. Making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me.
Yan na lang entry nila. Yan ang entry nila.
And we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Why don't you please me? Then show me what you came for. Why don't we steal away? Why don't we from the start?